The lesson I redesigned was a fourth grade lesson about copyright. This lesson will meet Massachusetts DLCS standards for ethics and laws under computing and society. I chose this lesson because I felt the original lesson was not engaging for my students, and they did not gain a deep level of understanding of the topic. My original lesson followed the Common Sense Media curriculum. It was a slideshow presentation. The slideshow included videos and discussions. The assessment piece was the completion of a worksheet. After trying this lesson, I wanted to find ways to incorporate UDL guidelines. How can I make it more engaging for my students? How can I provide options for effort and persistence? And how can I provide options to demonstrate their understanding of the topic? I decided to use a project-based lesson. PBL has been proven to help develop subjects more relevant to students and can help build critical thinking. I then looked at the SAMRA model to determine how technology could enhance my lesson. I wanted to move from the substitution phase to either modification or redefinition. While doing this, I knew I would have to provide formative assessments to check for understanding and provide scaffolding when necessary. I added game-based assessments for students to keep them engaged in the lesson. I used Kahoot for a quiz and WordWall for a sorting activity. Both websites provided engaging assessments with real-time feedback. The final project my students had to complete was a public service announcement. They had a choice of choosing copyright, fair use, or plagiarism to research. They could then make a TikTok-style PSA using Flip or create a Google slide presentation. Giving my students the choice on how to demonstrate their understanding made the project more relevant to them and kept them engaged. Not only were they able to get a deeper level of understanding about copyright, their communication skills improved, especially for my ELL and IEP students.